Okay. Attorney Mendoza, kayo po yung city administrator ngayon. Okay. Can you tell me about itong 350 million pesos na inallocate nyo para dun sa transfer ng to the Makati Car Park building?
Your Honor, wala ho akong idea niyan kasi
Sino po nakakalam?
ako po ay itinalagang city administrator noong October 3, 2012 lang po.
Okay. Sino po ang may alam niyan? Si Engineer De La
Baka ho
Peña?
yung, hindi ko po masabi, baka ho yung predecessor ko kung administrator po yung tatanungin ninyo.
Okay. So, Engineer De La Peña, can you say something about this? Yung 350 million pesos na inallocate ng Makati para sa transfer dun sa Makati Car Park building.
Your Honor, transfer po ng, kasi po, ano po ba yung transfer dun sa 350 million?
Yung offices, yung paglipat ng mga offices dun sa bagong building.
Your Honor, ang part po ng engineering is for the construction po ng building.
Okay.
So, yung pong hindi po sa technical aspects, hindi po ako makakasagot po doon.
So, sino po ang mga Pero, do you confirm na nag-allocate ang Makati ng 350 million pesos para sa pag-transfer? Andito sa ano niya
I'm not sure, sir.
You're not sure.
Kasi sa construction po, sir, yung sa aming... Yun po sa construction, yun po yung allocated fund po para po sa engineering.
BICOA Auditor Bagsit, please. Can you give me the disbursement documents for this 350 million peso allocation? Covered by City Ordinance Number 2011-038. So may breakdown dito about it. Okay? So sino nakakalam? Ikaw, Engineer Encisa, alam mo ito?
Wala po akong alam.
So wala nakakaalam sa Makati City Hall nitong 350 million pesos na ito. Pagka wala kayong...
I would like to raise a point to be relayed by the city administrator to the city mayor. When he asked to be excused from attending the hearings, he told us that he would send the department heads so that he would be ready to answer the question. So, but now apparently... all we have here before us now are the city administrator, the building administrator, and not even the engineer De La Peña. You're not even the city engineer, right? You are not the city engineer.
Not the city engineer, sir.
And then with the other department heads are not here, so causing delay because of the failure to answer some very important and relevant questions. So, Attorney Mendoza, please relay to the mayor. I'm excusing his presence and allowing him to be absent, but because I relied on his letter that he would be sending his department heads to answer all the relevant questions.
Your Honor, if I may be given a chance to compare with our budget officer, Your Honor, to check on this.
Sige, please. Kung sinong makakapag-clarify nito.
Yes,
The budget officer is here?
Yes, she's here right now, Your Honor.
Oh,
We just have to